The Summerseat Players started in the 60s. We were originally based in Summerseat, hence the name the Summerseat Players, but then we bought this facility in 1991. We put on 5 productions in our main auditorium, as well as 2 productions in our studio theatre upstairs. We also have a thriving youth theatre, which helps to bring through new talent into the professional industry, as well as into our own productions here. The youth theatre is amazing for the young people who come here. It's great for confidence building. It's great for being able to express yourself. It gives you a hobby and a skill that you can take forward into other areas of your life. The choir is very informal. They come down every Friday night. As well as the actual singing, there is also a great social side to it. The set builders meet twice a week on a Tuesday and a Sunday and build the sets for our productions, but there's also a great social aspect to it as well. We're really lucky to have a rotating stage, which actually allows us to be a lot more ambitious with our sets, building lots of different sets on the same stage. We're always on the lookout for new volunteers, whether it be on stage or off stage. We're particularly looking for set builders, costume makers, bar staff, and people to run the front of house on performance nights. We're an extremely friendly society. We have a lot of fun doing our productions, but we also have very high standards. We are immensely proud of everything we put on our stage.